To install Apple Music on a Windows PC or laptop, start by opening the Microsoft Store. This can be done by clicking the Windows Start button, typing Store, and selecting the Microsoft Store from the search results. Once the store is open, click on the Search Apps and Games bar at the top and type Apple Music. The official Apple Music app from Apple Incorporated will appear in the search results. Click Get to begin downloading and installing the app. After installation is complete, click Open to launch the app. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Then sign in with your Apple ID to access your Apple Music account. Once signed in, you can start using your Apple Music subscription on your Windows PC or laptop. If you encounter any issues, you can find additional help and tutorials online.